Welcome guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and I'm right here on my Facebook. A bit of a cheery Sunday today, but I wanted to come out any which ways with another video. This time it's not going to be cryptocurrency related, but it's going to be something that definitely you're going to take away, and it can give you some value and definitely also help you out with your problems in terms of marketing and getting more consistent traffic. So it is going to be related a bit to cryptocurrency because you guys know for the last few months I have been putting a lot of cryptocurrency content out because primarily if you are following me on my channel, if you're not, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification for more information and for more videos that I put out. But if you have seen so far, it's basically to take you to the journey of what it is when you're just getting started out also with cryptocurrency on a day-to-day basis, and at the same time when you're marketing. So I'm an online marketer as a fundamental, let's say, position, you can call me that, okay? But I also do trade cryptocurrency and I also work with cryptocurrency online. So in today's video, we are going to look at Udimi, okay, which is a traffic source that I use, and I have been saving and not using it at the moment for specific reasons. But if you're into cryptocurrency, right, and you are earning cryptocurrency or mining cryptocurrency, whatever it is, you have cryptocurrency away and stored, and that is the method that you use for you to receive payments. So if you have a product or service that somebody needs to, just give me a second. So if you have a product or service that you are frequently looking towards helping somebody, right, then you will need a way to market it. Now, the actual method that I talk about in my other videos as well is having a product, okay, a service, having a marketing system to present that, and having traffic. Now, since we're dealing with cryptocurrency so much, a lot of the people are using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., to receive payments from members to avoid the whole rigmarole of your online payment processors that have issues sometimes and don't. Some people don't want to go in PayPal because their funds get blocked, etc. The things are and a lot of problems that go on with the payment processors on there. However, I have not had any major or drastic, let's say, problems with any payment processors, but I do receive and I do receive payments in cryptocurrency and in Bitcoin specifically. So what I have been doing while I am building up my funnel, and if you want to check out the video at the end of this video on how to actually build a funnel with Online Sales Pros, I teach it because I'm doing the process at the moment, and I think it's much more valuable for somebody to learn while I am doing the same thing. So it's beneficial in this sense. Yeah, like I mentioned, this is one of the ways that I use, and right now I'm collecting in order for my funds. So on a weekly basis, I withdraw at least around 50 to 60 US dollars from one of my income streams just to support myself in terms of sending traffic on a consistent weekly basis to my offers. Okay, now considering that I'm building on my funnel, I haven't yet sent certain traffic, but I'm keeping those payments so the budget is there always for my traffic purchases. Okay, it has to be there, because once everything is ready, there needs to be a consistent flow that's going through the funnel on a weekly basis. And the source that I use is called Udimi Solo Ads. So this is my profile right here. You will see that I have purchases throughout since quite a long time. Actually, I've been. Now, what is Udimi? Okay, Udimi specifically is a platform where you can find people to send who have solo ads, and you can use them and check out which is the best person. Be careful, obviously. They are real human beings, but you should be careful of who you're doing. Test it out first in the beginning. Make sure that the leads are converting. If they are, then go ahead and build it up into a higher quality traffic that is getting you more and more results as you go on. So don't just read this and believe the people, but definitely test it out, talk to the people, etc. I have very few dedicated people who I know the traffic works, the quality is good, and I go ahead with it. Now, Udemy is a really good source to check on traffic vendors and how you can build and have a consistent flow of traffic. Now, they also have an affiliate offer. So what you're going to find in the link in the description of this video is a link to Udemy for myself. And if you want to look out for any vendors, you can definitely go ahead and do that. And I'm going to suggest actually the two on this site that you can see right now, Malik Trotman and Dana Solo. These are the two people I would really recommend you to think about going and getting the solo ads from them, since they are, in my opinion, they are very, very good solo ad vendors. So you have a lot of things that are going on ClickBank, on Udemy itself. I read ClickBank here, and I'm thinking of ClickBank, guys. It all happens to the best of us, right? So as I said, you can find various kinds of solo ad vendors all on this platform itself. Malik Trotman is, for example, one of my favorite guys to go with. And I'm just going to use an example of Dana Solo just to show you guys what it looks like. So you get the vendor who has a profile just like yours, okay? Says the price per visitor, how much it is, etc., etc. You can even get it to. So as I was saying, you can even get it to actually be quite economic for you, so quite cheap for you in terms of getting only top tier products, and the lowest amount of visitors is around 50 visitors you can have with 43 US dollars. You don't even need to write a solo ad. All you need to do is put your link in here, and that's it. You put your link in and you can send, they will send a solo ad right to that. Okay, now I'm just going to show you very, very quickly how you can, if you're receiving payments in cryptocurrency, so if you're receiving payments in Bitcoin, okay, most of the times you won't find services that you can pay in Bitcoin itself for you to send solo ads. Now, the advantage of having Udemy, and this is something that I really must recommend, because I'm working with cryptocurrency, I would love to have traffic sources that I can pay in cryptocurrency. I have another traffic source which I'm not going to get into how it is used, but you can pay with cryptocurrency with that traffic source as well. But this is, Udemy is one of the places that you can pay with Bitcoin. Okay, you can pay with Bitcoin for this traffic source. So for example, with Dana Solo, if I need to, I get 100 clicks. Okay, so let's get 100 clicks from Dana Solo. It's around 83 US dollars. Let's say add to cart. Okay, once it takes me to the cart, okay, I have to choose on the 26th of March, which is tomorrow. I would like that. Now, what I want you to see right here, and what I want to highlight very specifically. I don't know whether I can do this with the text icon here, but let's try it. Okay, I don't know whether you guys can see, but I'm going to highlight it right now on screen so you guys can more or less see. What I want you guys to take a look at is right here. You have three methods of payment. One is Bitcoin, one is PayPal, one is Bitcoin, and one is your credit card. So now, if you want to pay with your cryptocurrency and you have a debit card, then you can use this method right here. Okay, and that once you pay with your card, so crypto debit card. Let's just do that. Okay, crypto debit card. You can do that. Now, if you want to pay with Bitcoin, this is where I would suggest you pay with Bitcoin. I'm going to just try it. I'm going to try to make a Bitcoin, guys. Don't laugh at this, but whatever. It's a Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, if this is the best option in my opinion. Why? Because all you need to do is click on it. They'll take you to the payment option. You pay Bitcoin, and what happens? Sorry, is that you are paying Udemy, and Udemy in turn is paying Dana Solo for that much of a purchase. So they will give them 83 US dollars and they will have the Bitcoin right there. Either they will pay them in Bitcoin or they will pay in US dollars. I honestly do not know because I'm not on the vendor side, but I'm on the client side. And the client side, the advantages for us is that we can pay with cryptocurrency here. We can pay with cryptocurrency here. So hope you guys understand the beauty um, of this whole thing. Okay, I want you guys to think about it a little more specifically and know that you in order for you to generate sales and leads in your business, you need to have a consistent flow of traffic. Now if you're earning consistently through your mining, for example, and you say, okay, I know I have this much portion of my mining that I can take out and I can use in order for me to generate more sales online, or I'm getting a consistent flow every week, I'm getting $50 worth of Bitcoin, right? I know. So I'm going to look for 200 US dollars, right? And I'm going to make I'm really just going to make a 4 times the purchase of 50. I'm going to spend 50 US dollars for 4 times purchases on Udimi itself, spend in Bitcoin once a month, and I'm going to get clicks for the whole month. I can plan it for every single week and I'm going to get for the whole month. So this is one of the methods that I would suggest you to think about, you using Udemy specifically to send traffic to your offers, and I would specifically send it to a landing page, okay? And then you can go ahead and service everything else. You send it to a landing page, you collect your leads, and then you advertise your product. But since we are dealing with cryptocurrency as a product, and we have clients who want to know more about cryptocurrency, and we're helping people with cryptocurrency mining, trading, and even just selling their products, we need to look for sources of traffic that accept Bitcoin as well, so that we can in turn show them the possibilities with these traffic sources. So Udemy is one of my favorite places to go to, and you will see once my funnel is done, I will be purchasing live for the whole month for you guys, so that you can see what exactly I am doing for my business and how I'm running consistent traffic for my business as well. Okay, so until then, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm going to see you on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.